Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a paper tearing transition in Premiere Pro in 2 minutes. To start, you need one of these dual color paper tearing clips that you can download from my Telegram channel or anywhere else. You can find the download link in description. Import one of the paper tearing clips to your project and add it to your timeline at the end of the first clip. If it includes audio layer, you can hold the Alt key, select the audio part, and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Then select the razor tool. Make a cut on first clip, exactly under the start of paper tearing clip, and select the selection tool again. Now go to Effects panel, search for Ultra key and add it to the paper tearing clip. Then go to the Effect Controls panel, find Ultra key section and select Ink Dropper icon. Then click on green color on preview window and you can see that the green color has been removed. Select these two clips, right-click on any of them, select Nest and click on OK. Now drag this nested clip one layer up and then move the second clip to the left to match the first clip. Now we need to remove the blue color, so again add the Ultra key effect to the nested clip. Go to Effect Controls panel, under the Ultra key effect, click on this ink dropper and pick the blue color. Your transition is ready and you can find a suitable sound effect in my Telegram channel and add to it. Now it looks perfect, so to support me, please like this video and you can subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.